Hey everybody, this is Jason from Blue Weather. If you like weather-related information, please like and subscribe below. Been a while since I've been on here to do a video, but the weather's been kind of boring. But we have some new developing information that probably not going to thrill a lot of people. But after we get through the stormy pattern that we're in for the next couple days, we're looking at the month of April looking well below normal as far as temperature goes. What you see right here is for today, April 8th. And what you need to know about this map is if you're in the clear area, that's, seasonal, normal temperatures. If you're in the orangish color, that means above normal for that time of the year. And if you're in the blue, that means below normal. So as right now, most of the mid-Atlantic is pretty much at normal temperature for this time of the year. But as we get into this Friday, the cold front will move in sometime on Thursday. And you can see up here towards Maine how dark that blue is. I mean, you're looking at, 20 plus degree temperature swing up in the northern area like that. But what we're looking at, this is April the 10th, this Friday, below normal temperatures. We'll have a brief warm-up the first part of next week, somewhere between late Sunday to Tuesday time frame. And you can see we'll be, running normal. Might be some areas get back into the 60s that time frame, especially in Virginia. But as you get back towards next Thursday, about midweek, you go back into below normal temperatures again. You see here on the 19th, still below normal temperatures. You see here on the 21st, still below normal temperatures. And as we get into about the 24th of the month, you can see that about 3/4 of the United States is back to normal. Most of the northeast is cool down is on its way out. But like I said, it looks like the temperatures is going to be well below normal for April, allowing wintertime to hang around. And also the mountains will see several chances of snowflakes, and in the valleys, very cold rains. Not saying the valleys couldn't see the snowflakes, but for right now, we'll say the higher terrain sees the snowflakes, the lower elevation sees the really cold, disgusting rain, in my opinion. Nothing fun about a 40-degree cold rain. So we look at the precipitation, this here on the GSF model. That previous model that I showed you was the GEFS, which is the ensembles for the GSF model, when it's run 20-some times to see if you get the same result. So it's fairly accurate. Now this is just the regular GSF model. Now none of these images will be set in stone, but just to give you an idea how many times that we could possibly see snowflakes in the high terrain. This is this Thursday. You can see some snow filtering into the high terrain. This is Friday, some snow showers, maybe even in the low terrain. Then you see here on Tuesday, April 14th of next week, like I said, the first part of the week, Sunday, Monday time frame warms up for a little bit. Then another cold front moves in there about Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, and you might see some more snow showers. Then we're showing snow showers on April 16th for the high terrain. Maybe some snow showers in the high terrain on the 19th. Like I said, if you're not in the snow showers, it means you're getting a really cold rain, which is not fun at all. Maybe some more snow showers in the high terrain on April 22nd. And still showing it later in the day on April 22nd. Now, as far as the completion of this video, what I did, I looked at 5 different models and seen how many times they was projecting 50-degree days and 60-degree days between now and the 24th, once that cold front moves in late Thursday. And the mean or average for that, I was shown maybe 2 to 3 days in that 15-day period that would possibly exceed 50 degrees and maybe 1, maybe 2 days, which is probably going to be the beginning of next week, where it might exceed 60. I do not see any 70 or higher degree temperatures on here unless you're along the coast. Obviously, if you're in Virginia coast, North Carolina coast, you probably would. But as far as in the mountains that runs from Tennessee, North Carolina up into West Virginia and Virginia, it looks like a major cool down. Disappointment for those that's ready to just move on to the next season. I'm not saying we're sitting there going to freeze to death, but you will still need your heat running at nighttime. And like I said, highest terrain is not out of the question that it possibly could see some white on the ground at some point. But definitely was going to see the flakes at some point. All right, guys, that's all I have today. Y'all take care of today's severe storms that is running through here. As far as southern West Virginia into Virginia, North Carolina, could be some strong cells moving to the area this afternoon and evening. But then I also seen on a couple models strong line moving into Huntington, West Virginia from the northwest at about 1 a.m. tonight, and running to the West Virginia border in the southeast border approximately about 4 a.m. in the morning. That line should move through during that 3-hour period across West Virginia and then cross into Virginia and weaken. All right, guys, you guys have a good one.